Obviously I look cute, but I actually already signed a lease for that other place. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot believe I just said that, but yes, you heard me right. I found my dream place. I'm so excited. For everyone who's been watching me stay at countless Airbnbs and see multiple apartments, let's get into what your girl finally decided on. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. There is a bedroom in each room, and then there is a half bath downstairs. Also, quick note, this is just me showing you the viewing of the apartment that I did before I moved in. The couple that lived there also owns it, so it was a perfect handover. As you can see, they have a new baby and need more space. All right, moment of truth. Are picking up the keys and making sure they fixed everything that I wanted them to fix. Yeah, it definitely looks like a hotel pin.
No, take a seat on the white chair. Yeah.
Just kidding.
Yeah. You're gonna look straight ahead.
I vlog.
No.
Just fixing my hair. 1 second.
Okay.
I vlog about what it's like being a Black American living in South Africa.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's heaven.
Not always, but it's decent.
Hmm?
It's better than being in America.
It's a lot better being in UK and America,
For
not
sure.
just America, and
For
the
sure.
UK and America.
For sure.
The quality of life in South Africa, it surpasses all of the major countries in the world. I know you don't believe me, but you straight from
A lot of South Africans don't believe when you say that.
No, we don't, because we take what we have for granted.
Yeah.
Trust me. This gentleman is probably thinking I'm delaying you for selfish reasons. Come, I show you why. No, come through, sir. I can see the concern on your face. So please, if you would oblige me, sir. Do you see that?
Right.
That's what's coming out. Hence the reason, right? It's not gonna cap. Yeah, it's biometrics. It mustn't have any. You know. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Lovely.
It does not look lovely, but
No, it is. It's proper.
but my eye.
It's proper. The Sopranos.
You know, I only just watched The Sopranos like 2 years ago.
Is it?
Yeah. But I was missing out on some good TV. It's a great show.
It's absolutely fabulous.
it's a great show.
Seriously, it's absolutely. It was absolutely.
Okay, so now that we're done with all that yapping, we have set up our access to the building, did the final walkthrough, got the keys. I'm so hyped. Picking up the keys was the perfect thing to do on my birthday. I did other things, vlog coming soon, but yes. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. God is good. God is good. So blessed, so happy, but just know it's even better than Central Square. Not including amenities, but yes, better. Even better. The pressure is getting worse. really cool scent packets that I love. I get them from At Home. And they smell so good. Just take them as is. These little packets. And just sit them in closets. I'm gonna put one here. It's gonna smell so good. Late. And it wasn't me. So let's see if he's finna give us some push-ups to correct his wrongs. Because that's what we do over here. We get push-ups whenever we late. What do you have to say for yourself? Ew. What am I doing?
Lean back.
The day has finally come. It's moving day. We finished the gym. It is 7:36. So now we're about to go to the storage units and be there and wait for the movers. Cheers! Happy 2025! Final walk of truth. I'm gonna just, just once. So I gotta go get my girl who's at the storage unit. I gotta get her some breakfast because she been holding me down. Look at my face. She been holding me down, so I just like to take care of people where I can, So the least I could do is get my girl some breakfast while the movers get started. Thank you. This lady thought I was Ethiopian, so she came up to me and said, "Salam Nesh," or something like that. I obviously don't know and didn't know. I'm like, "Oh no, I'm from America." And then the other girl's like, "Oh, I thought you were colored." I'm like, "All right, bro. No, but thank you. I appreciate the solidarity amongst my African people." have got to be kidding me. Already with the bullshit. They have the movers. Like, they have to walk each item very far. Most important part. Thank you guys. I barely did anything, and that whooped my butt. 3 hours later. More stuff to take home. But I kind of feel like they look more orange than the old. These are kind of like gold. Why is it? Just kidding. I think this is the color that I want. to transform this master bedroom. Just giving you a first look, what it looks like. Trying to transform it into something amazing. This is the bathroom. All right, let's see. So we are now upstairs and still unpacking, getting our life together, as you can see. But I'm actually really proud of my progress. I've only been in here for about a week and I feel like I'm pretty much done with everything that I need to be done with. So after this, it's time to have a quick little girls' night with one of my friends who's visiting from Austria. So of course I had to pull out my wine that I got from my Girl Discover Wine. I'm so excited. Beautiful. So we popped open some wine. We ordered some takeout. My friend here, she is half Nigerian and half Indian. So she ordered some cool Indian food. I love Indian food. And we just kind of sat on the couch, had our takeout, had some wine, caught up. Like I said, she lives in Austria, so we had a lot to catch up on. And she was visiting SA again. Fun fact, she also is the one who gave me this door in the background that you see. It's from Abidjan. She actually used to live there. So very, very happy about this gift. And then now we are heading into Monday, getting some plants. This is basically the end of the video. If you've watched it thus far, you're probably thinking, where is the proper tour of your place, Jasmine? You need to stay tuned for part 2 because I feel like the place is not fully decorated and set up the way I would want to in order to give you guys a full on tour of the place. Plus I have to show you the amenities and everything else. So here are the specs of the apartment. Please stay tuned for part 2 of the tour of my luxury apartment in Sandhurst. And as always, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.